What's poppin'? Brand new jet, just copped it. I took a flight to Cali. I'm posted up in Compton. Straight up. My flow is sick. My flow so nauseous. Every time I pull up with a shot, man, I gotta hop up in the whip, but then I gotta keep it flawless. You can never name another rapper in the world to go the hardest. Gotta get it regardless. I was overlooked the last time when it comes to the rap shit, man, I gotta go the farthest. Certified the greatest. The close ones be the fakest. A lot of groupies be caking. Their competition be shaking. What type of weed is you smoking? What type of liquors you drinking? Man, what in the fuck was I thinking? I was taught to always be patient. Check it out, look. She really wanna drink tonight, but I'm the one she's chasing. You never won a versus battle like Mike vs. Jason. Everything I do is right, ain't no mistaking. I'm about to hit him with an automatic flow, no hesitation. My music, creative, they don't show appreciation. There's only one of me, Shxpe, ain't no duplication. The questionability, really you feeling me? Ain't no pretend to be, lift up my energy. Either my friend or my enemy. Hold it for a second, I ain't tryna catch a felony. Better watch who you talking, look, you better talk to me nice. If you ever try to fuck me over, man, you better think twice. I'm motivated, dedicated, I'm underrated, I'm up all night. My hustle game on point, so you better get it right, man, I'm about to get it right, look. I'm always on my pivot, I talk the life cause I live it. Way too many eyes be lurking, they're just mad that I'm trying to get it. I keep it up at 1,000, these amateurs keep it at 50. Like a transmission, I keep on shifting. Back and forth a second, I'm about to flip it. Who's the beast with this rap shit? Y'all better call out my name. Big Serta. A lot of rappers nowadays, they be sounding the same. I keep it original to the bone, and the one to blame. Had the certified stamp right quick so I could put it in the frame like link up. What's poppin'? Brand new jet, just copped it. I took a flight to Cali. I'm posted up in Compton. Straight up. My flow is sick. My flow so nauseous. Certified as a movement. Ain't no option. Straight up. What's poppin'? Brand new jet, just copped it. I took a flight to Cali. I'm posted up in Compton. My flow is sick. My flow so nauseous. Certified as a movement. Ain't no option. Link up. Certified remix.